discovered alcohol first? Ancient storytelling voiceover imagine living 12,000 years ago. No supermarkets, no cities, no farms. Every meal had to be hunted, gathered, or found before someone else found it first. One afternoon, an ancient hunter wandered through the forest, exhausted after hours of searching for food. Then he noticed something unusual beneath a fruit tree. Several ripe fruits had fallen onto the ground days earlier. They looked softer than usual and smelled strangely sweet. Hungry people don't ask many questions. He picked one up and took a bite. At first, nothing seemed different, but after a while, something changed. His body felt lighter. His mind felt strangely relaxed. The world around him seemed different. He laughed more than usual. His steps became unsteady. His friends probably stared in confusion, wondering what had happened to him. Without realizing it, this ancient human may have experienced something no one before him ever had. He had accidentally discovered alcohol. The funny thing is, alcohol wasn't invented by humans. Nature invented it first. Whenever fruits become overripe, tiny organisms called wild yeast land on them. These microscopic fungi feed on the fruit's natural sugars. As they consume the sugar, they produce two things, carbon dioxide and alcohol. This process is called fermentation. It happens naturally without any human involvement. Even today, if you leave sweet fruit lying around long enough, it can begin fermenting on its own. Long before humans understood science, nature had already been brewing alcohol, and humans were not the first creatures to experience it. Modern scientists have observed elephants, monkeys, birds, bats, and many other animals eating naturally fermented fruit. Some become clumsy, some lose their balance, some even appear to act strangely, almost as if they are drunk, so it's entirely possible that ancient humans first noticed intoxicated animals before discovering fermented fruit for themselves. But here's the mystery. Who was actually the first person to drink alcohol? The truth is, no one knows. There is no name recorded in history. No ancient inscription, no forgotten legend. That first person lived thousands of years before writing even existed. History never remembered them, yet their accidental discovery would eventually change civilizations forever. At first, people probably stumbled upon fermented fruit only by chance, but humans have always been curious. Once they realized certain fruits created this unusual feeling, they likely tried to recreate it. Instead of waiting for nature, they began collecting fruit, storing it, and allowing it to ferment intentionally. Without understanding chemistry, they had discovered one of humanity's oldest technologies. As thousands of years passed, people became even better at it. Around 9,000 years ago, in ancient China, people created one of the earliest known alcoholic drinks by fermenting rice, honey, and fruit together. Later, the people of Mesopotamia learned how to brew beer from grains. In ancient Egypt, beer wasn't just a drink, it became part of daily life. Workers received beer as payment. Families brewed it at home. Religious ceremonies even included it as an offering to the gods. Wine followed soon after, spreading across the Middle East and Europe, becoming a symbol of celebration, trade, and culture. What had begun as a forgotten piece of rotten fruit beneath a tree slowly became one of humanity's most important inventions. Alcohol shaped trade routes. It influenced religions. It became part of celebrations, rituals, medicine, and even politics. Entire industries were eventually built around a discovery that may have started because one hungry human decided to eat an overripe fruit. It's amazing to think that one of the world's oldest drinks wasn't created by a king, a scientist, or an inventor. It was discovered by accident. A simple moment of curiosity changed history forever. So the next time someone asks, who discovered alcohol first? The most honest answer is, we don't know. But somewhere, thousands of years ago, an ordinary human took a bite of a strange piece of fruit and unknowingly became part of one of history's greatest accidents. Sometimes, the discoveries that shape civilization aren't planned at all. They're simply waiting beneath a tree for someone curious enough to take the first bite.